First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So now let me move on to the basic level arrangement number 3. So K, L, C, E, H, T and P are sitting around a circular table and all the persons are facing the center. So totally there are 7 persons and all the 7 persons are sitting in a circle and all of them were facing the center. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So first point. T is third to right of H. So H right hand side at the third place where the person T is sitting. So I can fix H here, and we already know that all the persons are facing the center of the point, the center of the circle. So H right hand side at the third place should be T. So H right hand side will be this side. So 1, 2 and 3. So this should be the person T. L is fourth to left of P. So P left hand side at the fourth place who is sitting, L is sitting. So what we can do is, we have many possibles, right? If I fix P here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, this should be L. Or otherwise if I fix P here, 1, 2, 3, 4, this should be L. We are getting many possibles. So what we can do is, we can take this as a small note that, so P left hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the fourth place who is sitting, L is sitting. Let me take this as a small note. Got it? So next point, P is to the immediate right of H. Listen here, P is to the immediate right of H. So H right hand side, immediately who is sitting, P is sitting. So we can fix P here. If I fix P here, then fixing the person L is easy, because P left hand side at the fourth place is L. So now P left hand side 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this should be L. So finally I fix the person L and T, letter P and also H. So these are the letters I have fixed now. Next point, C is fourth to right of E. So E right hand side at the fourth place who is sitting, C is sitting. If I fix E here, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, it is not possible. If I fix E here, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, it is possible. So what we can do is, we can go with the next point. E is not an immediate neighbor of T. So listen here, E is not an immediate neighbor of T. So E is not sitting immediately to T. So we can surely say that E should not be fixed here. So only 2 options that we have, either E should be fixed here or E should be fixed here. But according to the point, E right hand side at the fourth place C is sitting. So what we can do is, I can fix E here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the fourth place who is sitting? C is sitting. Sorry, E is not an immediate, fourth place T is sitting. So at the fourth place C is sitting. So finally I can fix C here and E here. What is the remaining? Only one letter is remaining. I think K is remaining, so K should be placed here. So got it, friends? So this is the way we have to solve all these kinds of simple arrangement. If it is a 8 person, draw a circle and note that there are 8 persons are sitting. If there are 7 persons, similarly draw and make a circle as 7 person, right? If it is 6 or 9, whatever be, but remember that try to read the question properly, whether all the persons are sitting a center, that is facing center or not facing center. That is important, right? So here the question says there are 7 persons and all the 7 persons are facing the center. Got it? So finally this will be the answer for arrangement number 3.